So this is the beautiful website which you're gonna create once you complete this course. And to be honest, without writing even a line of code, the whole portfolio website is made using ChatGPT and Claude. If you see, it's clean, it's professional, and when you click on view projects, you will be able to see the project section. If you go to the experience section, you'll be able to see your experience. If you reload this page, you will see the animation which comes. Hi, I am Martand Yadav. In place of my name, it will be your name. It will be your information which will be there. If you go to contact information, so it's a clean layout, or you can say a UI which is there. Somewhere you may have to change things according to you. Somewhere you have the social media links also. You can go and give your links over here. So in short, this whole beautiful website is made using ChatGPT and Claude. Even if you are from a non-technical background, doesn't matter. Even if you are from a technical background, that also doesn't matter. Why? Because this is gonna actually speed up your work, where it is not at all required that you know the technical things from before, and just by writing or following a structured way of prompting ChatGPT and Claude, you will be able to make such kind of dynamic website where you will be able to change the things according to you. Means what? Let me show you. When I click on admin now, so I go to the admin section where I have given over here that you have the login as admin and the password as this thing. We're going to change this afterwards. We're going to remove all these default credentials and all. You can keep whatever credentials you want. So this is the panel from where you can change the things, right? Now let's say that if I want to actually change my name, I go to edit information, and instead of Martand Yadav, I'll write Martand Prakash Yadav over here. Okay, just to show you that this works. Okay, and then let's save it, and let's log out from here. Or maybe if you want to see your portfolio, let's go to portfolio again, and this time you will see I am Martand Prakash Yadav. So this shows you that this is a dynamic website where from your admin panel, you can actually change the things. Not only your name, whatever you see on this website, okay, everything can be actually updated. Okay, so from your education till to your projects to your experience and all. So over here you can see there is a GitHub link which you can actually go and change and show. So whenever you actually go to your interview, or maybe on your LinkedIn also, when you put this kind of website, okay, it gives you a different kind of or creates a different kind of image in front of the person who is interviewing you, okay, or maybe to the person whom you are sending your portfolio. So see you in the lecture where I'll be teaching you how to actually create this website. Thank you so much.